Here I've got iPhone 11 and let me show you how to change screen timeout on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to find and select the settings. Now scroll down a bit and go to display and brightness. And here scroll down a bit and under auto lock, just click on it. You will find several options, so you can pick 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3, 4 or 5 minutes, or you can even pick never, so I will change it to 3 minutes. And as you can see here, you've got that attention is detected when you are looking at the screen. When attention is detected, iPhone does not dim the display. So that's basically all. This is how you can change the screen timeout in your iPhone 11. You can do it as often as you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.